Hey everyone, and welcome to Escape Rock. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets behind the most clever puzzles you'll ever face. Or, maybe even the ones you're about to create yourself.
You know the drill, right? It's that classic escape room setup. A simple premise, but it promises so much. Mystery, tension, and that awesome thrill of discovery.
Well, today, we're flipping the script. We're going to show you how to be the mastermind, how to use the power of words, letters, and codes to craft puzzles that are just unforgettable. Okay, let's get into it. The real magic, the heart of a great escape room. It's not just about finding keys under a mat, it's about decoding the language of the game itself. And honestly, the best puzzles, they're the ones hidden in plain sight, just disguised as a bit of text. So where do you start? Well, like any good craft, you start with the basics. And believe me, the most fundamental, most versatile tool in your entire puzzle-making kit, it's the substitution cipher. So what is that? Put simply, you're just swapping one letter or symbol for another. That's it. It sounds basic, but trust me, this simple idea opens up a whole world of possibilities for hiding secret messages. And a perfect example of this is one of the oldest tricks in the book, the Caesar cipher. Yep, that Caesar. All you do is take the whole alphabet and just shift it a few spots over. It's such a brilliant example of how a simple rule can make a really fun and effective puzzle. Okay, let's look at another classic that builds on this idea, the A1Z26 cipher. This one is super straightforward. You're just turning words into numbers. A is 1, B is 2, and so on. Simple as that. So, picture this. Your players find a piece of paper with these numbers on it. At first, it's just numbers, right? But if they look a little closer, they might start to see a pattern. The question is, what is it? And there it is, B-E-A-R. The numbers just translate directly into letters. And that's when your players get that amazing aha moment. And hey, maybe bear is the 4-letter code they need for that next lock. All right, so once you've got a handle on these basic letter and number swaps, you can really start to level up your puzzles. How? By using unique symbols that tie directly into your room's theme. This is how you really immerse your players. And this is so important. The type of code you use has to fit the story you're telling. A puzzle shouldn't just be a random roadblock, It has to feel like it belongs in that world. Take Morse code, for instance. It's incredibly versatile. Sure, you can just write it down as dots and dashes, but why not get creative? Think flashing lights from an old lamp or a mysterious series of beeps coming from a radio. Oh, and then there's the pigpen cipher. This one is a personal favorite of mine. It turns the alphabet into this cool geometric code. It just feels ancient and mysterious, It's absolutely perfect for a room with, say, a secret society or an ancient tomb theme. Okay, so sometimes the secret isn't about using a whole new language or symbol set. Sometimes it's just about cleverly scrambling the language we use every single day. Anagrams are a perfect example. You give players a jumble of words, and you're challenging them to see something new inside something familiar. It's a total think-outside-the-box kind of puzzle. And the payoff is huge. You get that awesome jolt when the players finally get it, and the hidden phrase just clicks into place. It really does feel like a magic trick. A simpler way to scramble things is with transposition. All you're doing here is mixing up the letters based on a rule. Maybe you just reverse the whole phrase, or spell each word backward. It's a simple trick, but honestly, it can be surprisingly effective. So now you've got this awesome toolbox, right? Ciphers, codes, wordplay. But what are the rules of the road? Because let's be real, creating a great puzzle is about way more than just making it super hard. And this might be the most important rule of them all. The goal is fun. Your job as a designer is to create a challenge that feels rewarding to solve, not an impossible test that just makes everyone feel frustrated and defeated. So it all kind of boils down to this simple blueprint. 1, match the puzzle to the theme. 2, mix up the types of challenges. 3, make sure it's actually solvable. And 4, stay away from those frustrating red herrings. If you can do that, you're on your way to creating something that's both challenging and a blast to play. So there you have it. With these codes, these ciphers, and these core principles, you really do have the keys to design all sorts of amazing challenges. The only limit really is your own imagination. So what are you waiting for? Go create something awesome.